Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to unblock a group member on the Instagram app when you're using your PC, especially with the latest update. If you've accidentally blocked someone in a group chat or changed your mind and want to bring them back, this step-by-step walkthrough will help you get it done smoothly. First, start by opening the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your messages and groups without any hassle. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen where the menu is located. You'll see several icons here, but the one you want to click on is the Messages icon. It looks like a little paper airplane or chat bubble depending on the update, and it will take you straight to your direct messages. Next, find the group chat where the member you want to unblock is located. Click on that group to open the conversation. Once inside the group chat, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the info icon. This icon usually looks like a small circle with an eye inside it or a profile symbol. Clicking on this will open the group's details and settings. Now scroll through the list of members in the group until you find the person you want to unblock. Right next to their name, you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the options menu for that member. Click on these dots to reveal a small drop-down menu. From the options, select Unblock. Instagram will then ask you to confirm this action to make sure you want to proceed. Confirm the unblock, and that's it. The member is now unblocked and can fully participate in the group chat again. Unblocking someone in a group on Instagram's PC app is straightforward once you know where to look. Just remember these simple steps. Open Instagram, go to Messages, open the group, access the info icon, find the member, click the 3 dots, and unblock. Following this process will help you manage your group chats with ease and keep your conversations flowing smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on Instagram.